Welcome to Rockwell Automation Customer Experience Center at Singapore. Smart machines and equipment are the building blocks for smart manufacturing and helps you bring connected enterprise to life. In the next couple of minutes, we are going to showcase some of our innovative solutions around smart sensors, integrated safety, intelligent conveyor system, and software for visualization, reporting, and analytics.
The intelligent cart technology enabled by Rockwell Automation brings the smart machines to life. In this application, a FANUC robot is integrated with the conveyor system using a common industrial network. The smart sensors are detecting the height of each object on the conveyor's line. Using this state-of-the-art technology, customers can adjust the operations with more flexibility and agility. The robot can pick and place the object based on programming. With the smart sensor technology based on IO-Link, the sensor can diagnose itself. Dust accumulation can be detected, and any issues in sensor's health can be easily viewed by operators. It can help to have better predictive maintenance and safer environments. Using the machine safety solutions including door lock switches, light curtains, and safety scanners, operators can protect the personnel and machines while increasing productivity and safety together with reducing risks. A smart machine needs to provide guidances to operators on the necessary actions to be taken. As a smart machine senses any issue that needs attention, it provides the visual information to the operator locally. Leveraging IT/OT integration and use of modern technologies such as mobility, notification can be sent to relevant people in the plant to be able to support the operator. With a connected machine, remote monitoring and remote diagnostics can be enabled to improve the response time to impact uptime. This connectivity can be leveraged by the machine users to enable improved visibility to operations, as well as automate information exchange with applications such as performance management, maintenance management, and predictive analysis. The smart machine uses an integrated architecture that is information-enabled. The data of the devices in the system are transparently accessible to enable local visualization and analysis at the device level, machine level, and at higher levels. Integrated devices can be automatically reconfigured by the controller when a failed device is replaced, avoiding the need for technical expertise while reducing the configuration errors and improving time to repair. We call this capability automatic device configuration. Today, we can employ a variety of collaboration tools. We created a collaboration tool that includes the ability to communicate with the devices in the smart machine. This allows maintenance teams in the plant to work collaboratively to resolve issues, leveraging the different expertise in the team through mobile or Wi-Fi networks.
Every machine builder customer I speak to wants to know how to make their machines smarter, and their customers are demanding it. At Rockwell Automation, we understand that smart machines are critical to the success of the connected enterprise, and therefore critical to the success of our machine builder customers. As the largest company in the world dedicated to automation and information, we have the leading technology and the domain expertise to help you design and build machines that enable predictive maintenance, remote diagnostics, machines that are designed for safety and security. This can help you improve overall equipment effectiveness, get your machines to market faster. This will add more value to your customers, enabling you to sell more smart machines.